Yeah, look at that fisheye. It's so hardcore. The reason why I'm filming with this camera right now, just giving it a little test run, and I'm actually going to be putting this camera on my drone that I'm waiting to receive in the mail, and it has not come yet. I ordered it on Amazon last night, and it's supposed to be here. And today, we're going to be going to Spirit Falls. It is on the Washington side of the Columbia River Gorge. I've only been there one other time. The last time I went there, I wasn't into photography. Today is where everything is going to count. You guys are going to get to see exactly what I get to go through to take my photos for my Instagram page and my Facebook. Stay tuned. We're going to head to Spirit Falls and see how it is. Heading out to Spirit Falls. We're actually about a half hour away from it. We are passing through by the Bonneville Dam at the moment. So I'm just making my way there, enjoying the sights. I can't wait to take you guys to Spirit Falls. It is going to be so amazing. Well, it looks like we got stuck in some traffic, of course. Just my luck, right? 28 minutes out from Spirit Falls and just huge line of cars behind me. So many people, and in front of me too.
Showing off, don't wanna have to wait tonight. Better off.
We have finally made it to the Spirit Falls trailhead. A little bit later than usual. You know, I wanted to get here earlier. That's what I do most of the time when I go out on these outings, but hey, we're still gonna go ahead and go see that waterfall for you guys. That looks like a regular trail down. Let's go check out this viewpoint real quick. Yeah, it's ways down. Holy crap. Yo, guys, I think we are done with this insane descent down to this waterfall, and I'm running out of daylight, so we gotta speed things up here. I'm literally waiting in traffic for 45 minutes for construction. So that was a killer, but I'm still going. I got nothing to lose right now. I got nothing else to do besides this. Oh man, more of a descent. Oh, how am I gonna do this? I'm gonna go down this way. Hopefully I didn't just walk to my death. Oh my. Alrighty, it is getting dark here, so I'm gonna go ahead and snap my photos, get a couple more clips, and yeah, we're gonna call it a night since it's getting dark. So it's not daytime, it's going to nighttime. Let's get these shots and we'll get out of here, guys.